Making of the Constitution. India has the longest written constitution of any sovereign state in the world. The constitution had adopted on November 26, 1949, contained a preamble, 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. CA had 11 sessions over 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Written codified Constituent Assembly, discussion, debate, get written India, Germany, France, USH. Unwritten, uncodified conventional rules, decisions of courts, some parts are written or mostly scattered. New Zealand and Israel Constituent Assembly. CA was made a fully sovereign body. The idea of Constituent Assembly greater than M.N. Roy, 1934 Indian National Congress officially demanded in 1935 accepted in August of 1940. The membership plan greater than from Cabinet Mission Plan. Muslim League members withdrew from the Constituent Assembly later. Objective resolution passed by J.L. Nehru. Basis of preamble. Major committees. Union Powers Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru. Union Constitution Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru. Provincial Constitution Committee, Sardar Patel. Drafting Committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.